Hey guys, welcome to the International Call Center program. I'm really happy that you're watching this program and I hope that you will make a complete use of it for your business. Many businesses, they actually fail because of not having the right project plan or not having the right business plan for their business. So we're going to cover all these points in today's topic. I'm sure it will be helpful for you. So stay tuned and watch this program. So let's jump into it. The very first one what we have is the index on your screen of the project report. How this project report will be helpful for you in case if you're looking for investors, that's going to help you because you can actually present your project report and you can actually raise some funds for your business. In case if you are starting with your own capital, then this project report is going to give you all complete answers for everything mentioned in this index. So then you will have all the answers before you get into your business. The next one is industry gap and solution. So what are the industry gaps? So if you're targeting a particular industry, here in this particular reference, if I will talk, then we were targeting the BFSI industry. So what were the industry gaps? There may be some inefficiency, there may be something that the companies are looking for 24/7 operations, or they're looking for cost effectiveness. There must be something that they're looking for, and that is the gap that you're trying to fulfill. Once you understand the gap, it's very easy to fulfill that demand, fulfill that gap and offer your services. So you need to understand the gaps and then you can actually offer your solutions. When it comes to banking, financial services and insurance, then there are companies or the banks like JP Morgan, Citibank. There are a lot of banks in the US who have already set up their offshore centers. So creating awareness in the industry is not difficult. Suddenly, if you jump into some other industry like real estate and they have never used this type of services, then you are going to face this initial level challenges because they don't know that this model will actually help them. So it might be challenging. The next point is about industry diversification. So if particularly in the US, if you're talking about, then what is the industry diversification? What are the opportunities in construction and MNP, BFSI, manufacturing, telecom, retail, healthcare, and TNT, travel and transport? So then why we decided BFSI, banking, financial services and insurance? Because it has 42% which is already outsourced to India or to Asian countries in the past. So accordingly, depending on your home country's location, you can actually do the industry diversification in the US and understand, okay, which particular industry has been outsourcing it. As I gave you the example from Costa Rica, there is already Amazon which is already outsourcing. So that might be the great potential for South American countries to tap on retail and e-commerce industry